Hi, I'm Nuno. Welcome to the Design Thinking in Depth live program. In this program, you will understand what design thinking really is about by practicing it with a real-world challenge since the beginning of the program until the very end, when you have a solution to implement in the real world, in the real market with real people. You will learn an alternative and wise approach to complex problem solving that not only will give you alternative solutions for your problem, but also fosters creativity and innovation within teams. This is a very hands-on and very practical program, run through 5 live sessions during a period of 5 weeks. You will have 1 live session per week. You will also have some activities and exercise to perform during the week, which will help you to prepare the next live session and practice in the real world and testing the real market what you learned on the previous live session. You can participate in this training if you wish to have a one-on-one training. The live sessions in this case will be between you and the facilitator, me, or you can participate as a team or as a group. For example, if you manage a team of 10 people and you want to provide this team the training of design thinking in depth. Well, I hope you feel inspired and motivated now. So I look forward to seeing you in this live program.